Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we talked about a couple of weeks ago here is about a settlement that Google has decided to do because of a lawsuit that has to do with its Google Chrome browser, and more particularly its incognito mode, which promised to give you privacy, but they forgot to tell you that, oh, by the way, we can be snooping on you a little bit. So, of course, that didn't go through, and that went to a court for a lawsuit. Now, Google has settled. We don't know exactly how much money they've settled for. So, it all happens if you go into the three dots on the upper right and you open a new incognito window. You had this right now that told you that, you can browse privately. Other people use the device, won't see your activity, things like that. Now, this is the old one. I still don't have the new one, but some of you will start having a newer version of this text. And the newer version is like this. It now says, others who use this device won't see your activity, so you can browse more privately. This won't change how data is collected by websites you visit and the services they use, including Google. So now they're kind of just saying, yeah, okay, websites and us will be snooping. It's just that people who use your device won't know what you're doing. And that was a missing part of the text. Because, the old one that is still on my browser kind of gave you the impression that, everything is private, including the snooping from Google and, of course, all the websites you visit, which was not the case. So mine still says the old text. I don't know if you guys will have the new one soon or already, but it's supposed to be running, actually updating your browser so that the new incognito mode will tell you that they are snooping when you're on the websites. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.